Alright, we're on.
Rain, I'm going to fall and possibly kill myself here.
What the heck?
That's the difference between me, Sebastian, and Cod. I know how to have fun. I don't fall first. Death Star Butler takes again. Okay?
Sure. Please don't hurt yourself. Rain? Cell phone?
I got him up on it, don't worry.
Please don't drop it.
Don't worry.
Is that an order?
Huh?
Is that an order?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah, let's say don't worry's an order.
Yeah.
You sure this thing's sturdy?
Did I just not swing on it?
You're a lot lighter than me.
Oh, will you relax? Feels perfectly fine. Wrist swing on it. Okay, Alloy swing on it. Sebastian swing on it. Okay, I know him and Claude went at the same time and it fell. Gotta hold it.
I don't think so. Not me. Oh yeah. Let's do this thing go.
I'm coming. You want me to get your foot down or hold the vine?
No. I don't think so. Not with
Here,
shorts
let me turn it
on.
away. There's another way to do it.
Not with shorts on, Kels.
Another way to do it. Hold up for dear life. Yeah, hold on for dear life.
That was fun.
Alright, I'll try it that way. But I'm not putting my whole leg on top.
That's the difference between the Phantom Hive and Tracy and Death Star Butler. I know how to have fun. And I screwed my pants over.
That I can handle. Just with the leg and shorts on. Sorry, Miss Rain, I screwed my pants up.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Shorts on.
It hurt. I knocked the wind clean out of me. Please don't hurt yourself.
Happy birthday, please don't follow me. That's how to go.
It's not gonna fall on you.
Let's see if I can even...
Be careful.
Oh, I thought someone by me. It's like... Rain, you scare me, why don't you?
Huh?
Tree went in my mouth.
Take this.
Ah. Tree does not taste good.
And another difference between us butlers. I can't breathe. Knock the wind out of me. Come on, let's go that way. And between the other difference, I say owie, they say ow. I'm the keto one. Whoa! Save me.
How long have I been your butler?
2 years.
And I haven't killed you yet, have I?
Still.
Thanks. Don't touch the butler. The butler did not do it this time.
Yeah, like the butler didn't.
Do you want to take the camera? If I don't fall on my ass first. Ew, look at this.
To the bed!
What?
Down.
He just totally got right on top of it.
Maybe to us. No, it's dead. Oh, ew, it has bugs all in it. And that shows you the death cycle.
Come on, Randall.
What about this one?
Huh?
Yeah, right.
You just sit on it!
Oh, I can sit on it, yeah, but that's about it.
Yeah, it won't move. Okay, we gotta go back down. Oh man, I'm gonna sink.
Huh?
I feel the sinking.